Hello friends, this is Mannat here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Simpton parcel which I have received today. So I am unboxing this. So this is the seal pack and we have ordered some products which we are going to unbox now. This is seal pack and we received good packaging. The box is very good and it is also covered in khadi paper, and the products are the razor, face razor, the body butter, and this avocado moisturizer. This is the vitamin E moisturizer, and this aloe vera body wash, and this is the digestive drink. It is the alternative for Eno, and this is one mini lipstick, and the face scrub from the Aroma, and these the hair mask from Plum, and the face wash from Mamaearth. The three products we have received as a gift. These three products is given by the Simpton Art gift, and this is a for 0 trial point, and all the products I received for the cost to 199, and I like this, and you can also try the products of Simpton. I am happy customer from Simpton. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and share my video.